Hello dear students, hope you all are fine, and today I am going to start a chapter from economics, and the chapter name is development, and the topic which I am going to discuss with you is the role of education in development, or how educations can bring development, right? If in a developed society, what is there? There is a good advancement in technologies, good health sector is there, good institutions are there, right? Good skilled forces are there, good staffs are there. Okay, so all if there less poverty is there. Okay, so these all things how we can bring in the society, and if these things are present in a society, what we see that this is a developed society. If all these things we find in a country, we say that this country is more developed. If we talk about the America right now, so why the America is well developed? The America is well developed because there is a good advancement in technologies, there is good advancement in health sectors right now. Less death rate is there, okay, and less birth rate is also there. So all these things advancement how they were brought, okay, and how they become a developed country. There's good advancement in technologies right now. So why, how? So you think one thing is behind it, that is good educations right now. If we can bring good educations right now in a society, then obviously what will happen there, the poverty problem can be solved. How poverty problem can be solved? Why there is poverty? There is poverty because there is unemployment. And why there is unemployment right now? Because the education system is not in too much developed, right? If we develop the education system properly right now, so what will happen, more and more educated people will come out, and what will happen, the the jobs right now, the jobs which is created in our country or in our society, what we can do, these educated people can fulfill that post right now, that jobs, right? Think that what is happening, that in health sector what is there, that in health sector there is less doctors, less staffs, skilled forces, skilled health officials or staffs are there, right? How we can fulfill this shortage? If we can fulfill this shortage right now, so what will happen? Obviously, what will happen? If we give a better treatment, then automatically what will happen? The death rate will come down, right now. So and how we can give, how we can bring more and more doctors right now. So if we develop the education system, more and more medical institutions will be there, more and more students are getting chances right now, and when they are coming out by getting a medical degree right now, getting a by becoming a doctors right now, so they will automatically what will happen, serve the society. And when they are this, the shortage of the good doctors will, what will happen, there will be no shortage, right? And due to that, what happen, the health sector will improve. Same thing is in the technologies also. If we put good educations in technologies right now, more and more colleges are being opened, right? That medical engineering colleges are there. Hmm. If we open more and more engineering colleges, the more and more what will happen, the students will get admissions in the engineering college, and when they will come out with that engineering degree, so what will happen? This engineering degree will, they will help in the development of technologies of our country right now, and this will help. This will also help in the development of our society. Girls' educations right now. To go, if the school is far away, the transportation facility is provided to the girls, so that they can easily reach to the schools right now. And for the weaker sections right now, for SCs and STs, and for these sections of the people, specials, free education is being given to them, right? Different many political colleges institutions are being opened, right? So that the more and more children may get chances to get these degrees and diplomas from these institutions, and special facilities given to the bigger sections, right? So in the field of development, in many schools and colleges are being opened in this each district, right? and in every blocks, so that the students may not go too far away to get educations, right? So these type of problems are being also solved by the government, and why it is putting a special scale in the field of education, so that it can bring a development in the society. So from this all we can understand that how important education is in the field of development, and where there is a proper education, where it is well advanced education, well developed education, there obviously what will happen, a development will come in the society. If we talk about the Kerala right now, okay, in Kerala what we see, the education system is what, well advanced right now, okay, well developed, and you see that their economical growth, and in on other fields right now, they are well advanced, well developed. So these things are there. So from this we can easily understand that how important education is in bringing development in society or in country. Okay, thank you students. I hope you have understood these topics. Goodbye, take care.